Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to curl your hair with the Conair hair curlers. So first off, I'm taking this bottle full of water and I'm just dampening my hair with it. And then I'm taking my hairbrush and I'm just going to brush the water into my hair. So just like that, and I'll do it to the other side too. And then again, I'm just going to dampen the back of my hair and brush it down. So make sure all of your hair is nice and damp, and I'm just showing you these are my Conair curlers. So I'm using the small ones, and I'm just going to be taking a section of hair from the front of my head, and then I'm just going to dampen this and brush it down. And then I'm going to take my curler, and starting from the end, I'm just going to curl it around it. So go all the way to the end, and then once you get there, just curl the end of the curler in. And do this to both ends. And then I'm just going to take another one, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to dampen my hair, and then I'm going to brush it down, and then I'm going to take my curler, and I'm just going to curl it around. And then again, once you get to the end, just curl each end in, and just like that. So I did all my hair. This is how it looks. And then I'm just going to take my hair bottle and I'm just going to dampen all of my hair. Oops, looks like one came out. But anyway, just dampen it all. And then go to bed. And when you wake up the next morning, we're just going to take both ends and pull them away. And then we're going to take our hair and we're going to uncurl it off the curler. And then we're going to fluff out that hair. And then do it to the next, just uncurl it and unwrap your hair around. So just like that, and then fluff out your hair. And I'll show you guys how to do this on a couple more. So again, just unravel your hair off of the curler. And then just fluff out your hair. Just like that. So once you do all of your hair, it should look like this. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to press the subscribe button below. See you guys next time. Bye.